In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build and deploy a YouTube SEO tool in Lovable.dev. We're going to create a simple web app that takes either a YouTube URL or a topic as input, and then generates optimized titles, tags, and descriptions using an AI model. This is a great project if you want a fast, practical tool for content creation, and the nice thing is that Lovable.dev makes the setup very straightforward. To get started, log into Lovable.dev and create a new web app project. Once you're inside the project workspace, you'll be ready to describe exactly what you want the app to do. The goal here is to give the platform a clear instruction so it can generate a solid starting point for you. In the project prompt, enter this request: build a YouTube SEO tool that accepts a YouTube URL or topic and returns optimized titles, tags, and descriptions using OpenAI API. Make sure the wording is clean and specific because this prompt acts like the blueprint for the app. The clearer your request is, the better the initial structure, layout, and logic will be. After that, move to the environment settings and connect your AI provider credentials. This is where you'll add your OpenAI or Claude API keys so the app can actually generate content. Be careful when handling these keys and make sure they're stored only in the proper environment settings rather than exposed anywhere in the interface. That keeps your app secure and ensures the model calls work correctly in the background. Once the keys are connected, test the output generation. Try entering a sample YouTube URL or a topic and see what the app returns. You're looking for useful, relevant results across all three outputs: titles, tags, and descriptions. If something feels too generic, unclear, or poorly formatted, take a moment to refine the UI components and overall presentation. For example, you may want to improve the layout so each output section is easier to read, or adjust labels and spacing so the experience feels more polished and intuitive. This testing phase is important because it helps you catch issues before publishing. A tool like this should feel simple and reliable, so even small interface improvements can make a big difference in usability. When everything looks good and the results are generating properly, go ahead and click Deploy. That will publish your web app and make it ready to use. At that point, you'll have a live YouTube SEO tool built in Lovable.dev, powered by AI, and ready to help generate more optimized video content.